I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back to the channel. Today is lesson number 12 in our series of beginner guitar lessons. Today's guitar lesson is going to be a transition between the key of A major, B minor, and D major. We're going to play along with the song What's Up by Four Non Blondes. It was a phenomenally popular song in the 1990s, and it's a great three-chord song with sort of a unique strumming pattern. And if you're learning beginner basic chords in the first position up here, you'll probably be familiar with all of the chords already. So let's get started with the lesson. To begin with, the chords in this song are going to be this A major, this B minor chord, and a D major. So the A major chord is your middle finger on the second fret of the D string. Your ring finger is going to go on the second fret of the G string. Your little finger is going to go on the B string on the second fret. Then you're going to move into the B minor. That's a bar chord on the second fret. Fourth fret's going to be your ring finger on the D string, your little finger on the fourth fret of the G string, your middle finger is going to go here on the third fret of the B string. From that you go to the D major. D major is going to be first finger on the second fret of the G string, middle finger is going to go on the second fret of the E, then your ring finger goes down here on the third fret of the B string. And then back to that A major. B minor, D major, back to the A. Now the strumming pattern on this song is going to be so it goes down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. A good way to learn that is to mute your strings. I like to use my dust rag, and I'll wrap it around my neck and mute my strings. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. I'll go through that song at least 2 times, beginning to end. If it takes more, don't worry about it. It's a different sort of a strumming pattern. And that's half of the song, is learning the strumming pattern along with the chords. So and that's all there really is to that song. So you have your 3 basic beginner chords, And if you're following along with these lessons and you're going between the chords, and it gets a little old just going between the chords, if you have a simple song like this, you can play some of those chords too. It just makes it a lot more fun, especially when it's a song that people can recognize like that. So I hope you like this. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing to the channel is completely free and it helps us out a lot, and we hope to see you again. We have these lessons every Friday. We release a new one, so stay tuned. Thank you.